Here's how to play WorldBox on your PC or laptop for free using an Android emulator. WorldBox is available on Steam as a paid game, but you can play it free on PC through an Android emulator. The recommended option is LDPlayer. It is lightweight, fast, and works well even on lower-spec systems. Open your browser, go to ldplayer.net and click Download. Run the installer and wait for LDPlayer to fully install and launch. Once inside, open the Play Store. Sign in with your Google account, search for WorldBox, and click Install. Once installed, you'll see the WorldBox icon on your LDPlayer home screen. Click it to launch, complete the tutorial if it is your first time, or skip it if you already know how the game works, and you can start building and destroying worlds immediately. Note that using an emulator to play a paid game without purchasing it violates the game's terms of service. If you enjoy it, consider buying the Steam version to support the developer and unlock all features, including mod support. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.